My name is Peter. I'm from Slovakia Tours, and this is Matt.
Hello.
Some of you know him. Very good guide. We have a special project and special ideas, and we go today to Banska Stiavnica to take some pictures, wonderful videos. You can watch the video and live stream from the old town.
Stay with
See you
us.
later. You can see Baroque Calvary. What a beautiful day we have today. We are in Banska Stiavnica and in Stiavnické hills, and we walk on the highest peak called Sitno. Take from the bottom to the top approximately 1 hour. What I am doing as a travel agent, for example, of course, traveling is not possible. Everything is closed, borders are closed. We decided that we will go on and we will do some virtual tours. So even if you cannot travel, you cannot come to Slovakia and enjoy all the beauties, you can see our photos, our videos.
Všetkých pozdravujeme.
Newcastle was a 16th century anti-Turkish fortress. We are now standing in front of one of the symbols of Banska Stiavnica. This is called Stary Zámok, or the Old Castle. The history goes back to the 13th century, when it was a Romanesque church, then Gothic church, and when the Turkish danger was here, they reconstructed it into the fortress. So you can see it, it's a tower, fortification wall, some bastions, it's beautiful. And the Matt, do you remember on the very first tour with us?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I was on a grand tour of Slovakia with one American family. I believe that they were from Arkansas or somewhere around there, and it was quite a spectacle, because I really enjoyed these grand tours, because you really get to understand. You really get a good understanding of Slovakia, how things work here, how people behave in different regions of the country, and it's just a very convenient way of getting to know our beautiful country.
Yeah, I think that's right. How long actually have you been touring in your life? How long?
Well, if I remember correctly, I have been guiding, of course on and off, since I was 15, so about 17 years now. So it has been quite some time, and I really enjoy guiding people because you really get to show them the beautiful parts of our wonderful country.